The COVID crisis tonight as the U.S. closes in on 200,000 deaths. Europe is seeing an alarming spike in new cases. The daily number of cases across Europe is near peak levels from April, suggesting a second wave could be on the way. And tonight, CBS's Holly Williams is the first network correspondent to report from inside a plant in Britain that is gearing up to mass produce a potential COVID vaccine as we continue our series, Racing to a Cure.
A second wave of infections is now hitting the United Kingdom, according to the country's Prime Minister, who said today it was inevitable. More than 10 million people here are already living under local lockdown, and with the government reportedly considering tough nationwide restrictions, we were given rare access to this sterile facility, where they're planning to start mass producing COVID vaccines as early as November. Right now, they're training staff, filling glass vials with water.
What's happening here at this facility is simply unprecedented. They're preparing to fill vials with a COVID vaccine before a vaccine has been approved.
The circumstances are exceptional, and that has led to this kind of exceptional work.
Managing Director of Wockhardt UK, Ravi LeMay, told us they can produce up to 240 million doses of vaccine here in a year. But if the vaccine they start producing ultimately fails its safety tests, they'll simply have to throw it out.
Is it a gamble to start packaging up millions of doses of a vaccine before it has that final approval?
I won't say it's a gamble. I would say this is investment in public health.
The Oxford vaccine, arguably the front runner in the race to stop the new virus, despite a recent pause in its trial, will likely be produced here. The US government has given more than $1 billion to the drug company behind it, AstraZeneca, to secure at least 300 million doses. Holly Williams, CBS News, Wrexham in the United Kingdom.